forecast. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer. You can always head over to fox8.com. The forecast discussion has these details as well. So first up, we've still got a winter weather advisory for several counties, about half of us. Ottawa County, because those temperatures were slightly colder and it was mostly snow up there, and then east of 77 mainly. So you got Cuyahoga, Summit, Stark, and east. South, Tuscarawas, Carroll and Columbiana County not only have this winter weather advisory until noon, but they also have a flood watch in place because of the coming rain. So if you're wondering, what am I to expect today? Well, we've got a big old mixed bag of precipitation. Currently our temperatures, which most of them are not registering, are in the low 30s, so either side of freezing. And so while we're all there, most of what we're seeing is either sleet or wet snow or rain, so that fluffy snow is not the case. This boundary here is beginning to lift north, and as it does, our temperatures are going to begin to rise as we go throughout the day. So if we take a look a little bit closer to home, pause this, you can see we've got rain showers west of 71 with some sleet mixed in, drier skies further southwest towards places like Tiffin and Fostoria, and then just a touch of snow up towards Port Clinton, where there is still that winter weather advisory in place. So we've got really kind of 3 to 4 different types of precipitation in the mix at the moment. Good news, I do expect some breaks in the precipitation as we head towards the lunch hour. So let's go ahead and walk through the day. So some of you saw about 1 to 3 inches, especially east of 77, of wet slushy snow. This evening, that snow is, of course, transitioning to rain. It already is, but we'll have this nice break from about 2 to, we'll say, 6 or 7 p.m. before rain showers and some sleet move back in. By Sunday, temperatures plummet into the 20s, and through the day, we'll see that transition from rain back to snow. Timing-wise on this, the morning hours will still be rain really, really early, but as the sun comes up, temperatures will start to then drop. Let me go ahead and back this up for you a little bit. So you can see 8, 9 o'clock is when we begin to see that transition. So just as that time, people are heading to breakfast, to church, so make sure you give yourself extra time and be prepared for slippery conditions. Some of it as it comes down may melt away at first, given road traffic and also ground temperatures from the overnight just being slightly warmer. Here's a look at how much rain you could expect. So not only are we watching for 1, slippery conditions, especially east, until noon this morning. Rain showers then, this evening especially, some pockets of heavy rain could put down more than an inch of water on the ground. Couple that with the melting snow, we could see some ponding or flooding issues, ice jam issues. I know one spot we've been keeping an eye on is the Chagrin River, but also we've got that flood watch in place for our southeastern counties. Then tomorrow, 2 to 4 inches of snow. Localized areas could see higher totals through the day and through Monday, where we will again have some spotty snow showers. Then, if you're not tired of hearing me talk, we are going to transition to much colder air for the work week. So President's Day, a high of 16, overnight lows in the single digits, and wind chills will be sub-zero. Also keep in mind, anything that is wet, left untreated, not salted, will be a sheet of ice. So watch your driveways, watch your sidewalks. I know we did a story that it's been tough to find salt. It's getting kind of scarce. And this also, these changing kind of freeze and thaw conditions make it tough for road crews to get ahead of it, because you can't treat the ground during that dry time this evening because it's going to rain. It would wash it all away. So just keep that in mind. They're going to have to keep up with this as it's occurring. So give them a little extra grace and a little extra space, all right? Other than that, it's just going to be real cold next week. Our average highs are about 38. No signs of that after today. So I hope you guys stay safe on the roads and stay warm next week as well. Again, if you have questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Talk to you later.